Robot vacuums and mops have become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. They can save you a lot of time and effort, and they can keep your floors clean and tidy. But with so many different models on the market, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. That's why I've put together this list of the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos for 2024. I've based my recommendations on a number of factors, including suction power, battery life, navigation, and mopping performance. Number 1. Roborock Q7 Max Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop with Auto Empty Dock. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is a great all-around robot vacuum and mop combo. It has a powerful suction power of 4,200 pascals, which is enough to pick up even the most stubborn dirt and debris. It also has a long battery life of up to 180 minutes, so it can clean your entire house on a single charge. One of the best features of the Q7 Max Plus is its auto empty dock. This means that the robot will automatically empty itself into the dock after it has finished cleaning. This is a great feature if you have a large house or if you don't want to have to worry about emptying the robot yourself. The Q7 Max Plus also has a number of other great features, including app-controlled mopping, no-mop and no-go zones, and object avoidance. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum and Mop. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is another great option for a robot vacuum and mop combo. It has a powerful suction power of 3,000 pascals, which is enough to pick up most dirt and debris. It also has a long battery life of up to 120 minutes, so it can clean most homes on a single charge. One of the best features of the Roomba Combo J5 Plus is its ability to identify and avoid obstacles like pet waste and cords. This means that you don't have to worry about the robot getting stuck or damaged. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus also has a number of other great features, including self-emptying, clean by room with smart mapping, and voice control with Alexa. Number 3. Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop with Sonic Mopping. The Shark AI Ultra is a great option for a robot vacuum and mop combo that is also pet hair friendly. It has a powerful suction power of 4,000 pascals, which is enough to pick up even the most stubborn pet hair. It also has a self-emptying base, so you don't have to worry about emptying the robot yourself. One of the best features of the Shark AI Ultra is its sonic mopping technology. This technology uses vibrations to scrub your floors, which means that they will be left sparkling clean. The Shark AI Ultra also has a number of other great features, including home mapping, matrix clean, and clean edge technology. Number 4. Ecovacs Debit X2 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Ecovacs Debit X2 Omni is a great option for a robot vacuum and mop combo that is packed with features. It has a powerful suction power of 8,000 pascals, which is one of the strongest on the market. It also has a self-emptying base, hot water mop washing, and hot air drying. One of the best features of the Debit X2 Omni is its Omni Station. This station is the home base for the robot, and it performs a number of functions, including self-emptying, hot water mop washing, and auto-refill. The Debit X2 Omni also has a number of other great features, including obstacle avoidance, voice control with Alexa, and a long battery life of up to 180 minutes. Number 5. Dreamtech L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Dreamtech L10S Ultra is a great option for a robot vacuum and mop combo that is both powerful and intelligent. It has a powerful suction power of 5,300 pascals, and it also has AI navigation. This means that the robot can learn your cleaning habits and create a custom cleaning plan for your home. One of the best features of the L10S Ultra is its auto mop cleaning and drying system. This system automatically cleans and dries the mop pads after each use, ensuring that your floors are always spotless. The L10S Ultra also has a self-emptying base that can hold up to 6L of dust, so you don't have to worry about emptying it for up to 60 days. The L10S Ultra is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control it with your voice. With its powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and auto mop cleaning and drying system, the Dreamtech L10S Ultra is a great option for anyone looking for a top-of-the-line robot vacuum and mop combo. If you're looking for a robot vacuum and mop combo that can help you keep your home clean and tidy, I recommend checking out one of the options on this list. All of these robots offer great suction power, long battery life, and smart features that can make your life easier. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.